Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is an extra or a follow-up or an addition to the previous composite functions video. Very short video, just wanted to point something out and make it clear that composite functions aren't necessarily made up of just two functions or a combination of two functions. They could be made up of three functions, as you see here in this video, or four functions, five functions. For example, now we have h of g, we have h of f of g of x, three functions that make up this composite function. There could be h of g, there could be h of f of g, of y, of x, of a, many functions. Okay, let's just consider this here made up of three functions. And I wanted to point out that obviously we can write it as follows: h of f of g of x. G is the input to f, and then f of g of x is in the place of x in the function h. So we're inputting f of g of x into h. And we see three functions make up this composite function. And again, I want to point out something that could be useful when solving composite functions. It's what anyone would usually do, but it's quite nice to point it out. So we see here that we have essentially a composite function that's being inputted into another function h. So we have f of g of x, which is in itself a composite function, which we're inputting into h. Just wanted to point that out. Well, that's all for today. See you in the next video, and like, subscribe, and I really hope you found this video useful. Goodbye.